Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for West Central Stafford County in Northern Virginia, Northeastern Orange County in Central Virginia, South Central Fauquier County in Northern Virginia, Southeastern Culpeper County in Northern Virginia, North Central Spotsylvania County in Central Virginia, until 2 a.m. At 10:06 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: radar indicated. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flooding include Ramleth, Stork, Holly Corner, Roseville, Dunavant, Lake of the Woods, Glendy, Richardsville, Hartwood, Goldmine, Flat Run, Turn Around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Now for the national